Kyiv or Kiev is the capital and most populous city of Ukraine. It is in north-central Ukraine along the Dnieper River. Its population in July 2015 was 2,887,974, making Kyiv the seventh most populous city in Europe. Kyiv is an important industrial, scientific, educational and cultural center of Eastern Europe. It is home to many high-tech industries, higher education institutions, and historical landmarks. The city has an extensive system of public transport and infrastructure, including the Kyiv Metro. The city's name is said to derive from the name of Ki, one of its four legendary founders. During its history, Kyiv, one of the oldest cities in Eastern Europe, passed through several stages of prominence and obscurity. The city probably existed as a commercial center as early as the 5th century. A Slovak settlement on the great trade route between Scandinavia and Constantinople. Kyiv was a tributary of the Khazars, until its capture by the Varangians in the mid-9th century. Under Varangine rule, the city became a capital of the Kievan Rus, the first East Slavic state, completely destroyed during the Mongol invasions in 1240. The city lost most of its influence for the centuries to come. It was a provincial capital of marginal importance in the outskirts of the territories controlled by its powerful neighbors, first Lithuania, then Poland and Russia. The city prospered again during the Russian Empire's Industrial Revolution in the late 19th century. In 1918, after the Ukrainian People's Republic declared independence from Soviet Russia, Kyiv became its capital. From 1921 onwards, Kyiv was a city of Soviet Ukraine, which was proclaimed by the Red Army, and, from 1934, Kyiv was its capital. The city was almost completely ruined during World War II but quickly recovered in the post-war years, remaining the Soviet Union's third largest city. Following the collapse of the Soviet Union and Ukrainian independence in 1991, Kyiv remained Ukraine's capital and experienced a steady influx of ethnic Ukrainian migrants from other regions of the country. During the country's transformation to a market economy and electoral democracy, Kyiv has continued to be Ukraine's largest and wealthiest city. Its armament-dependent industrial output fell after the Soviet collapse, adversely affecting science and technology. But new sectors of the economy such as services and finance facilitated Kyiv's growth in salaries and investment, as well as providing continuous funding for the development of housing and urban infrastructure. Kyiv emerged as the most pro-Western region of Ukraine. Parties advocating tighter integration with the European Union dominate during elections. The Ukrainian name is Kyiv, written in the Ukrainian Cyrillic alphabet, and usually rendered in Latin letters is Kyiv. Ukrainian is an inflected language, and the genitive form is Kyeva, Kyeva, meaning, of Kyiv. Before standardization of the alphabet in the early 20th century, the name was also spelled Kyiv, Kiv, or Kiv with the now obsolete letter Y at. The old Ukrainian spelling from the 14th and 15th centuries was nominally *Kiev. But various attested spellings include Kieva, Kiev, 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 or Kyiv. The name descends from Old East Slavic Kyijevu, the legendary eponymous founder of the city. Kyiv is the Romanized Ukrainian name for the city, and it is used for legislative and official acts. Kiev is the English name for the city. The city was known by various names in history. In the Norse sagas it was Kainaga or Kernuga, meaning city of the Kyivans, which survives in modern Icelandic Kainugarur. Perhaps the earliest original manuscript to name the city is the Kyivan letter, written ca. 930 AD by representatives of the city's Jewish community, with the name written as Kyiv. In the Byzantine Greek of Constantine Porphyrogenetus's 10th century, the Administrando Imperio, it was Kioba, Kiova, Kiba, Kiova, and also called Sambatas. Sambatas. In Arabic, it was Kuba in al-Istakri's work of 951 AD, and Zanbat according to Ibn Ruster and other 10th century authors. In the medieval Latin of Thietma of Mersburg's Chronicon it was mentioned for the year 1015 as Quava. After it was rebuilt in the 15th century, Kyiv was called by the Turkic name Menkaman or Munkaman. Today, The city is known as Kijo in Polish, and Kiev, in Russian, as a prominent city with a long history. Its English name was subject to gradual evolution. Early English sources spelled this word as Kiev, Kiovia. On one of the oldest English maps of the region, Richae, Moscovia et Tartaria, published by Ortelius, the name of the city is spelled Kiev. On the 1650 map by Guillaume de Beauplan, the name of the city is Kiev, and the region was named Kiovia. In the book Travels, by Joseph Marshall, the city is called Kiovia. In English, Kiev appeared in print as early as 1804 in John Cary's New Map of Europe. From the L.